This is what everyone that joins the Freedom Formula Blueprint will have access to. It's day by day videos and training as to how you will achieve your 30 days or 30K in 90 days.
Congratulations! Today is day one of our new Freedom from a 30K in 90 days sprint. I am so proud of you. I'm so excited that you are here. And day one is the decision day. Who you must become in 90 days. See, you don't rise to goals, you rise to standards. See, most people set goals, but few people raise standards. Goals say, I hope this is going to be fun. I can do this. But standards say, this is who I am now and who I'm going to become to reach my goals in 90 days. So it's that identity shift, my friend. Would the version of you who hits 22 customers scroll for an hour on social media? Would the version of you who hits 22 customers in 90 days chat back and forth with people? Would the version of you avoid going live? Would the version of you skip tracking and understanding automations? See, income follows identity. So if you act like someone building a 30K business, you build a 30K business. Now, I want you to define the new standard for you, my friend. So write this down. The next 90 days, you're going to do, what are you going to do the next 90 days? I'm going to post daily. I'm going to track weekly. I'm going to improve my messaging weekly. I show up even when I don't feel like it. I build authority with my content. You're going to learn exactly how to do that in this 90-day. Write down the new standards, non-negotiables that you're going to do. I'm going to go live every week. I'm going to send a newsletter out every week. Write down those standards that you are willing to do this next 90 days. Now, if you're brand new, welcome. So happy you're here. You'll understand tracking and you're going to understand every single thing. That's what this 90 days is all about, helping you. But I want you to identify standards that you want to learn so you can implement as well. So your action step for today is write this sentence. For the next 90 days, I am someone who blank. This is your identity anchor. So now what I've done is I gave you some examples, okay? So you have a worksheet for today. Let me pull up the worksheet. And I really want you to spend some time on your identity, okay? I want you to kind of reflect what behaviors have held you back in the past. What behaviors would the 30K version of me display daily? And what must I stop tolerating? These are really important questions to create that new identity, okay? Then I want you to create your new identity. Now below here, again, for the next 90 days, I am someone who what? Here's some examples. For the next 90 days, I am someone who executes even when I don't feel motivated. Someone who follows through. I'm someone who honors my commitments, finishes what I start, thinks like a CEO, tracks numbers weekly, builds assets, not distractions. Right? Speaks with clarity and conviction, builds trust daily. This is on 22 customers, does not quit when it gets uncomfortable. Right? So I gave you quite a few different examples. So use these examples and fill yours out. And I want you to anchor in on this identity. And I want you to wake up every day and say, for the next 90 days, I am someone who finishes what I start. For the next 90 days, I am someone who finishes what I start. And I want you to say it before you work. Oh, and I want you to say it before you go to bed. I want you to anchor that new identity in. Watch the person you become. We get so focused on thinking we need to learn more. No, we need to raise our standards and become more. And the moment you're willing to do that, oh my goodness, you'll absolutely love the life that you create. So your action step for today is once you create your identity anchor, for the next 90 days, someone who blank this, I want you to copy and paste that, put it inside this post. Okay, that's your challenge. You got to engage and put it in your post because I want you to type it in, let the community see it and support you with that as well. Again, congratulations, so excited. Day one, we are after reaching our goals and learning skills that can change our life these next 90 days. So proud of you for being here.